Alright, you guys, so we've got the dash pad installed here, so now we're going to move on to getting our carpet reinstalled in here. So it's been sitting out in the sun for a little bit right here, so I'm going to go get it. We'll bring it in here and set it in, get it formed, and then trim it up and get our holes put in it for the seat belts and the seats and everything like that, and get it all back together here. Alright, you guys, so now that we got the carpet kind of laid out in here, we're going to go on ahead and I'm going to start from the back and kind of work my way forward with it. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting on the transmission hump. I'm going to find my holes for my seat belts. I'm just going to try and use a little tiny screwdriver to kind of pop through there so I can kind of line it up a little bit, and then I'm going to take my little X-Acto knife that I have. I'm just going to kind of cut around a little bit right there to make a hole so we can get our bolts in there. So we'll start with that. We'll do the other side. And then I think from there we'll go on ahead and kind of just start, coming over to the sides a little bit, working our way forward, and just kind of continue on like that. So let's get started here. So I still have some of the foil in here from when I did all the lizard skin, so I got to pull that out here too. I did not realize that, but that's all right. We'll get it taken care of. Over here, our hole right there. Alright guys, now that we got the seat belts installed in here and kind of anchoring the back part of the carpet down, we're going to come up to the middle part right here, and we're going to start working our way forward with the bolts that hold the seat tracks down. So go ahead and get these in here, and then from there we can kind of continue moving forward right here and get everything all put together here. Alright, you guys, so that is going to do it for this video right here. That's going to be our install on the carpet. Pretty much got everything in there like I wanted to. I will need to trim around the shifter bezel area. That'll be pretty easy right there. And then I'm going to hold off on putting in the seats right now just because I need to get up underneath the dash and do some other stuff. So that'll be a little uncomfortable with those seats in there. So we'll keep those out until we're ready to get everything all buttoned up here. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.